What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. Today we're here to talk about the Lamicall WS01 stand. Now this stand is a nice addition to any tech setup because it displays your smartphone and your smartwatch at a nice viewing angle. So a little background here, I have the Google Pixel 4 XL smartphone, and then I have the MOTO360 smartwatch. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. Now the unboxing for the stand is very simple, which is why I just have everything out already. I didn't want to go into the simple unboxing. So we have the stand itself, and then I have the Moto360 smartwatch charger already installed. So that's not included. It's just on here already. And then we have a survey card, and then we have some extra silicone bumpers. Now this stand features silicone bumpers in key areas to keep devices protected and to keep them from sliding around, as well as to keep the stand from sliding around. So on the smartphone portion side, we have a silicone bumper at the top, and then we have silicone bumpers at the bottom. On the smartwatch portion, we have a silicone bumper behind the smartwatch charger. And then underneath the stand itself, we have silicone bumpers to keep it from sliding around. Now the smartwatch charger doesn't just secure in place on the stand, you need a system. So what I have here are Velcro ties. I've got one at the bottom and one at the top. That holds the cable in place so that the charger itself doesn't move around. Now you can see everything looks really nice here because it's all a similar color, which is what you want to aim for. We have the black smartwatch charger, we have the black Velcro tie wraps, we have the black cable for the smartwatch charger, and then the stand itself is black or charcoal. Now although we have the smartwatch charger secured to the stand, it's not secured perfectly. So if we go ahead and pick up on this, it does move a little bit, but it's on there good enough that if we connect the smartwatch to the smartwatch charger, nothing is going to fall off. Also, if we go ahead and remove the smartwatch from the smartwatch charger is not going to come off the stand. Now the smartphone portion of the stand is also deep enough to accommodate different case sizes. So here we have my Pixel 4 XL with the Spig and Tough armor case. You can see that fits on there easily. But if we wanted to swap to a battery case like the Neutery battery case for the Pixel 4 XL, that's also going to sit in there. It's going to lean a little bit more upright, but it's still possible. So final thoughts. The Lamicall WS01 is a nice minimalist addition to any tech setup. Obviously this looks nice, but it also displays your tech at a good viewing angle. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the channel. The next way you can support the channel is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can support the channel is just by clicking that subscribe button. Now liking and subscribing are important. Those are ways to vote on whether you like the video or the channel. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers. If new viewers see lots of likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the videos are helpful and the channel is worth watching. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.